Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to do a demo on super thin Mushu pancakes. This is about a half a cup of regular flour, and the lighter and finer the flour the better. Give it a quick sift there. A little bit of salt for flavor. And we're going to add hot water slowly until the flour forms a soft ball of dough. You want to go slowly, otherwise you'll end up having to add more flour. Here's the ball of dough. That's great. Oh, it's hot. It's a little bit sticky, but it doesn't stick to my hands. So you're going to have 2 pancakes at a time that you make. Roll it into a ball. This is a tortilla press. We're just going to flatten it a little bit. Paint the top of it with a little bit of sesame oil. Make another ball of dough. And we're going to paint the top of that. So we'll put the balls of dough together with the sesame oil surfaces touching one another. Cover that with a little bit of plastic. Close this down. Press it. By the way, those are golf ball size pieces of dough. Let's head over to our preheated cast iron griddle. It's on medium heat. So just lay that down right on there. We're going to have each side brown a little bit, but in the center where they're touching, they're going to be steaming. As it turns a light brown, you'll know that it's time to give it a turn. So here we go. I turned the heat down just a little bit because it was a little warm. We'll let it cook for about a minute or so. Let's take a look and see. Oh, see, there was more browned up there. Starting to separate there. So let's take this over here, peel these apart. Wow, see the steam coming right out? 2 very thin Mushu pancakes. Steamed on one side, toasted on the other. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.